Hi kids, today I'm going to show you how to draw a little birdie. So grab your paper and something to write with and we'll get started. Hi kids, so today for your level 1 drawing, we're going to do this adorable little bird. So as always, we start by folding our paper into 4 spaces. I got 2. Okay, so my paper is folded into 4. Next, I'm going to draw 2 circles. Those are the eyes. If you have trouble drawing circles, you can always find something that is circle shaped and trace it. So 1 circle and 2 circle. Sometimes I like to make my circles go behind each other like that. And then we're going to draw his body. He kind of is shaped like a minion. This light is really not great. Hold on. That's better. Okay, so his body's kind of shaped like a minion. It's going to come up like this and around, and then it's going to come down into this square, and then over into this square, and then back up into this square. Next, we're going to give him a neck. And then we're going to give him circles inside of his eyes. Those are his pupils. He uses those to see. And then his wing. And his other wing will come down and come up. And then his tail and comes off of his wing like that. And then his feet, we're going to draw 2 lines down and 2 lines down. And then we're going to draw the foot. And then let's put some grass back here. Oop, I forgot something. Can anybody tell me what I forgot? His beak. Yep, and then last I can go in and erase these little overlaps. And trace with a marker or crayon, and then you can color or paint it. I'm going to paint mine, you guys can watch.